Hi, we're here with Mason from KONI, and we're asking questions that I typically run into from our technicians who are installing this product. The one question I see a lot, what happens if they install the hat upside down on a strut or shock that has a circlip on it?
Sure, absolutely. So within our street, our sport, and our special active product lines, several different models use what we call a removable spring cert. It's located by the circlip mounted into a groove on the shock body. And the correct way to install this spring seat, if you take note on this seat itself, is one side of it has a specifically milled groove that when installed onto the shock, captures fully this circlip, keeping everything nice, tight, and in place. If you were to install this spring seat upside down, you'll see on top, it's flat. There's no milled groove. So if you were to install it upside down, your spring seat is no longer captured and potential issues can arise.
So the second they lower it off the jacks, they're going to notice that it's sitting higher. And what other damages could that cause to the vehicle and even the unit itself?
When that circlip is not properly captured, it can be forced from this groove. So it's really important to take note and make sure that that groove is capturing the circlip before you install your spring and put this back on the vehicle.
Well, thank you, Mason. Anything else you'd like to add?
I think that's it.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.